How to find Binomo.com user ID. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you already have a Binomo account, here's how you can find your ID quickly and easily. First of all, open up a web browser and type in Binomo.com in the URL box and search. Once you end up in the main homepage of Binomo, also make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're inside, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top right corner from the home screen. Now click on Profile from the expanded menu on the right and it'll take you to your profile section where you can see your user ID at the top. It is displayed with a long string of numbers, which is usually 9-digit long. So there you have it. That's how you find your Binomo user ID on the Binomo.com website. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.